Here's a blue collar puppy. He's still for sale. He's playing with the red collar puppy. It's sold to Mike. And there's the orange boy. So everybody pretty much knows which puppy's theirs. There's the orange, the blue one, excuse me, going off on his little adventure. Huh. Hey. Come here. Come on, puppies. Hey, what are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? Come here. And here's the yellow one again. Yes. What are you doing? What are you doing? So you're so playful. Yes, you are. You're so playful. You're so playful. Yes, you are. I'm going to get you. I'm going to get you. Say yum. Yes, say yum. I'm going to get you. So you're such a playful little girly. Huh? Yes, you are. I want to get you. Yes. And here's the big blue boy again. Huh. Said you come to see me, didn't you? Yes, you did. Said you come to see me. Huh.